Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2015 Range Rover Evoque. What we do, go to music, find a track that you want to watch or walk on by, that's acceptable. Click on the bottom there, you see there's a car and a kind of a person. You can either have it on iPhone or Range Rover. There's a tick next to Range Rover. That's what we want. Now we go over to audio video like so.
You look done in.
Turn that down a little bit. That sounds like it's the TV on actually, but so on to my music. There's no plus there, as you can see. Now I've done it, my music, source has come on and there's a plus there. Click on the plus and we want Barry's iPhone Pro there, or whatever your phone is called, and then turn this up, turn this up. That's it. That's how you stream audio.